What's the meaning of cardamom? Cardamom. Cardamom.
Cardamom. Cardamom.
Cardamom is a spice that comes from the seeds of various plants in the ginger family. It has a strong, pungent flavor and aroma, and is often used in cooking, particularly in Indian, Middle Eastern, and Scandinavian cuisine.
Cardamom is also used in traditional medicine to treat a variety of ailments, including digestive issues, respiratory problems, and inflammation.
It is available in both whole pod and ground powder form and is a versatile ingredient that can be used in both sweet and savory dishes.